This is Cindy Manier from aududu Book Creator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our Gamebook tool. To get to the tool, click on Activity Books, Gamebook tool. With this tool, you can create books that have Connect 4 pages, Dots and Boxes pages, Hangman pages, and tic-tac-toe pages. The first thing you're going to want to do is set your trim size. Let's go with an 8.5 by 11 book. Then you can decide how many times you want to repeat each one of the different games. I'm going to have 10. So since I have 4 selected, it's going to be a total of 40 pages. You can also select your font. You can use any of the fonts that you've uploaded into your account fonts. You can also select a font size you want to use for the books. We're going to leave it at 20. If you want, you can add front matter pages and back matter pages. So you could add, for example, a title, copyright page. Maybe you want to have some instructions on how to use the books or links to other books that you have, then you can add those. Your front matter pages get added to the beginning of the book, and your back matter pages get added at the end of the book. So let's go ahead and download this, and I will show you what it looks like. So it rotates between the different games that you've selected. So we have Connect 4, Dots and Boxes, Hangman, and tic-tac-toe. So it's just going to keep repeating those 4. Now there's some different options that you can select. So for Connect 4, you can have either 1 per page, 2 per page, 4 per page, or 6 per page. Let's go with 6 per page. Dots and Boxes, same thing. You can select 2, 4, 6, or 9. Hangman, you can have 1, 2, or 4. Tic-tac-toe, you can have 1, 2, 4, 6, or 9. So let's do them with the most number that you can have per game. Let's download that. And now this is what it looks like. So let's say you just wanted to do a Hangman book. What you could do is you uncheck the other games. And let's say we wanted to do 2 per page. So we want 100 pages. So now we can download it. And now we have a 100-page book that just has Hangman in it. Let's see. Like I said, you can switch fonts. So if you want a different font or a different font size, you can do that. Let's say we want Hangman and Dots and Boxes. There you go. So we have a different font for your book. And that's pretty much everything you can do with this tool. If you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments below or ask them in our Facebook group.